Welcome to Homes with Heather. I'm Heather McChesney with Keller Williams First Realty. Today I want to give you 3 pointers of what to do to get ready for your open house. What are the 3 benefits of hosting an open house or having your agent host an open house? Number 1 benefit is to get the buyers in your front door. The more buyers that you get in your front door, the more offers is what we hope. The second reason to have an open house is to have more advertising. We've already advertised your house is coming soon. We've advertised it when it hit the market, the first day that it hit the market as being active, and now we're advertising that it's having an open house this weekend. Usually open houses are 2 to 3 hours, and it's the first weekend that it's been on the market. So that's 3 times that we are touching potential buyers. Third reason why you should host an open house is that you're getting other agents in there at the same time. You're creating a little bit of a frenzy. Sometimes you'll have open houses and you'll have multiple buyers in at the same time. Those buyers are gonna kind of work off of each other and bring you the most money for your house.